Everyone's cheering that this plugin writes 94% less code. Cool number. But here's the part they skip. So you ask your AI helper for one small button, and it hands you back a giant pile of code. Now you're buried. More code means more files, more bugs, and more stuff that can break on you later. But a smart, lazy builder stops and asks one question first. Does this thing even need to exist? So Ponytail hands the AI a checklist ladder. It climbs rung by rung and stops at the first yes. Watch what that does. A date picker the AI built in 404 lines, it drops to just 23. That 94 is the ceiling though, not the everyday. Across real tasks, the honest cut is about 54%. But lazy never means unsafe. It still keeps every security check and guardrail. Leaner, sure, but never reckless. Okay, let's make this real. The tool is called Ponytail, and it's free and open for anyone. Here's its page on GitHub. Real benchmarks, real code, and over 50,000 stars from devs who tried it. Setup takes 2 short lines. You add the marketplace, then install the plugin. That's honestly the whole thing. And remember that date picker? Ponytail's whole answer is one line, the date box your browser already has. So here's how you start today. Install it, ask for a feature, then watch the diff shrink. Enjoying this? Tap subscribe so you never miss what Cloud Adventures makes next. Best code is the code you never wrote. Follow Cloud Adventures and start building lighter today.